Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to turn off sound effects on Minion Rush application. So let's go ahead and dive into the video right away. Whether you're using your Android or your iOS, following this step will be able to turn off sound effects on your device. There are different methods when it comes to turning off the sound effects on your game. The first method is by simply lowering the volume of your device to the minimum. Another way to do so is by launching open your Minion Rush application and from the main home page of it, click on the gear button at the top right hand corner. If you've enabled sound effects and musics, you will be able to see this green bar appearing right under music and sound effects. To mute or turn off the sound effect, simply press on minus on both music and sound effects option. Make sure that your volume is all the way turned off and it looks like this. There should be no green. Both of the volumes should be turned off and it should look like this. Once you do that, you will no longer hear any music while playing the game. Now you can easily play your game and enjoy in a silent mode. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.